What is this? Listen to this noise. Oh my gosh. It's like the loudest screaming noise from the sky above this building. I don't know what it's from. It goes away and then it comes back every like 5 to 20 seconds. Listen to how loud that is though. Fucking scary. Loud, listen. There it is. Like, what is that?
This is Wednesday, October 17th.
Listen to this. It sounds like a car crash that never stops. That's exactly what it sounds like. And I'm kind of worried because I live here. What the hell? And it sounds like some kind of sonic sound, but I can't. What the hell is that? I'm not really sure what that is. Listen to that. What the hell is that noise? It's like soul's cry or something. It's scary.